Hey guys, I'm Greg DiTullio. If you're looking for 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms with a possibility of 5 bedrooms and 3 baths for under 600 grand in an awesome master plan community, the next greatest thing here in St. Johns County, stick with me. This is the Moonstone model of the Seasons Collection by Richmond American here in Elm Creek, Silverleaf master plan community in St. Johns County. We are in St. Augustine. Just a little reminder to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit alerts for future videos. The Moonstone is 2,600 square feet, has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, but you have the option of converting this den here to a 5th bedroom and converting this half bath to a 3rd bath. Nice big open foyer. Huge closet underneath the stairwell. You can never have enough storage, but there you go. Big spacious open floor plan. Again, you'd never know this is 2,600 square feet because this just feels a lot bigger. You got your gas stove. Nice size island, and then the pantry right across from the island. Huge living room. Could really enjoy having guests over. Plenty of space. There's your entry from the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Your dining. This Moonstone model reminds me a little bit of the Yorktown and other Richmond American communities. It has a huge big lanai area for outdoor dining. And we'll get a quick glimpse of the back of the home. Moonstone. Biggest floor plan option by Richmond American here in Elm Creek at Silverleaf. Silverleaf's awesome. It's a huge master plan community. It's going to be about 15,000 homes, and they have no CDD fees. They have an HOA fee, which is pretty fair considering what you get here. Upstairs is 4 bedrooms and a loft and your laundry. As soon as you come up to the stairs, top of the stairs, you have your loft area. You have your double vanity bath with a shower tub combo. Bedroom number 1. Double door closet. Bedroom number 2. The walk-in closet. Your laundry room to the right as you come up the stairwell. Huge spacious laundry room. Bedroom number 3. Door closet. Your AC to the left here, and then as you enter your primary wing, you have a linen closet right here. I always see in models they got the windows right next to the bedsides. Again, it just adds to the home. A lot of natural light makes the room feel a lot bigger, more spacious. Here's the primary bath. Got the WC in the back, the shower here to the right, and then double vanity. What's killer about this floor plan is the primary closet. I mean, closets sell homes, but this could be a bedroom in itself. It's huge. great value for Elm Creek here in Silverleaf. That 5th bedroom option for under 600 grand in the current market is just incredible. If you're ever in the Jacksonville area, I hope it can be your real estate source of choice. Especially if you're building a new home, it costs you nothing to have an advocate on your behalf. So stick around for the next video. I'm going to show you some more tours here at Elm Creek by Richmond American Seasons Collection.